just came in, and it's really a look at. Now, I am a huge microfiber user because I have electronics, a lot of electronics. I have display screens. You know, one of the things that kind of drive me crazy is that when people who have to use glasses to see or to read, whenever you get your prescription or you get a new pair of glasses, they always give you a microfiber cloth specifically made for that glass. But for whatever reason, everybody ends up losing it or not using it. The strange part is that they will complain about the scratch, about the glasses being scratched and getting scratched, and it's because they're using their t-shirts or whatever they're wearing to clean off their glasses. That's the problem. If you use a microfiber cloth to clean glass, you won't get scratches on the glass at all. It just won't happen. So that's the reason why you get it, because you're not using microfiber cloths. And the reason I purchased it, not only because it was Prime Day, but in the recent, I'd say a couple of years, my wife has been actually using microfiber cloths to clean. And I've used paper towels. And I found that it started, you know, to cost me using paper towels to clean bathrooms and stuff. But that's the only way I could get that shine on the chrome. It's like I would put Windex and just rub it out and it would get nice and shiny. But I found that I could do it with microfiber cloths as well. So when I'm cleaning the bathroom or cleaning the kitchen, I will grab a microfiber to do the same thing I did with paper towels. So I started to actually buy a lot more, and whenever they go on special, I buy them as well. That was pretty good. Look how thick it got compared to what it was. They actually shrink wrap this like really well. So I started to use microfiber, and they do the same job as paper towels. So you save money, and all you have to do is wash them after you use them. So the more we have, the better, because I have my set of towels for computers and screens and tablets and phones, and then I have a set of microfibers for cleaning around the home. It works really well. I really enjoy it, microfiber. And recently I've also been using them on my car. Now, I'm one of those guys that the cleaning of my car takes place when it rains. I'm lazy like that, but whenever I need to clean up the inside, or let's say I decide to you know, clean the outside of the car, I've been using microfiber cloths instead of paper towels, because I found that the microfiber cloths, again, on the car, the metal of the car, doesn't leave scratches, and I think the paper was leaving scratches. So you just have to make sure that when you're cleaning with these, they don't have debris on them when you're cleaning things like your car, so that way they don't cause any scratches. It comes in 3 different sets of colors. This is a set of 50. 3 sets? I think this is the same. And then green. So blue, gray, and green. I don't care what color they are. I just buy them to use them. And I'll be trying to separate them by color depending on what I'm going to use them for. So I might use this for the bathrooms. This might be for my electronics, and then the blue will be for the car. So I just want to open one up, give you a close-up look at it, measure it. That way you can see what you get when you purchase it. So it is from top to bottom, about 16 inches. From left to right, 12. 16 by 12. It's not real thick, which is fine. I have different microfibers that are really thick. I also have ones that you put on your hand with gloves, as gloves. I use those to clean a lot of times the glass that we have for the tub to keep the water from coming out of the tub. I'll use it for that door, that glass door, the one with your hand. So this is just a look at microfiber cloth. It does wonders. I buy any brand as long as it's yeah, I wash it in the machine and that's all. Makes life easier. All right, so this is a look at and some information of myself. Whether you want to take the information or not, that's up to you. On the microfiber cloth that I purchased from Amazon. All right, I use them all the time. I use them for everything now. And it saves me a lot of money. I dedicate the paper towels just for my drying my hands or for guests. So I don't buy paper towels as much as I used to. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye now.